Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming permissions and signing in. This is crucial. Make sure both devices have location services on and Google Maps allowed to use location. If the person will share with you, ask them to open Maps, tap their profile, and choose Location Sharing. Once done, you should see a prompt or a share link. Accept it. If using Family Link or Google Contacts, verify they appear under your account. Now proceed to viewing the live location. Once location sharing is active, open the Maps menu and select Location Sharing to find the contact. Tap their name to center the map on their live position. A blue dot or avatar shows movement. You can request directions to meet them or tap the profile for estimated arrival times if they are traveling. Use satellite mode and pinch to zoom to recognize landmarks, and long press Street View to confirm buildings or intersections. This helps verify accuracy and plan your route. To finish, tap the contact and choose to stop following or remind them to end sharing. Also revoke access in account settings if needed. If the map shows no position, first confirm the target device has battery, location enabled, and a working internet connection. Ask them to open Maps to refresh. If accuracy is poor, switch to high accuracy mode in device location settings or request a new share. One troubleshooting tip: restart.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.